The conversion rate before and after the sales kit is monumental. And when I say monumental, I'm talking hundreds of thousands of dollars. 19 estimates, 19 closes. You will see a difference in your profit margin, you'll see a difference in your clientele, and you'll see a difference in your referrals. It has made me over $144,000 in 30 days. My name is Joshua Nix, owner of Excalibur Landscape Lighting, and I am an AMP Council member. I got started in landscape lighting because it's a passion of mine. I don't know where it really started, if it was from my first concert or if it was from a laser show. But somewhere along the line, I just had a passion for it, and passion became my business. I use AMP products because it is the best in the industry. When I put a fixture in somebody's hand and watch their hand drop, to me, that is a game changer. You have threaded fixtures, you have sealed fixtures, real glass, and real customer support. So my sales process was, I think, right in line with everybody else. You get a phone call, you set up a time to meet with the client, and you go and you have a couple of little samples that have been rolling around in the back of the truck, and then you pull them out. You build a little bit of a rapport and you say, let me show you this fixture. And then you start talking about design and price, but really building that rapport. I've had great success, but the game changer, what blew me away and still does, is 30 days into it, and that is the sales kit. 19 estimates, 19 closes. The customer's reaction was a little bit ironic. I was actually invited into homes versus doing the estimate outside first and then maybe following up in the garage or on the front porch. I was invited immediately into the customer's home because I had something to show them. There's something in that case that they want to see. I sit down at their dining room table or on their couch. They're bringing me coffee and tea. I'm building a rapport. And they're waiting for me to open that case. They want to see what's in that case because it's something precious to me. It's my livelihood. It's what pays my bills. And so I open it with pride and I watch their reaction. Wow. I let them touch it, feel it, grab a fixture. Let's talk about each one of them because there's a fixture mixture. And it closes sales because it gives the customer the impression that you're protecting something. You have to believe in it, and you protect what you believe in. You protect your home with an alarm system. You protect your cars with insurance. Protect what makes you money with a nice padded branded case, and watch your business explode. People can tell when the sales guy shows up that they're in it for a quick job, another tick. But they can also tell when an artist shows up that listens to them, that takes their project, their vision. We're just a vessel to get it complete, but really listens to the customer and let them make the design. That's where you win. I've had numerous vendors sit in my office and try to sell me their product. Sure, I'd listen. I would take a brochure. They could promise me the world. We can get your product. We will hand deliver your product. But at the end of the day, when there's product not available when you need it, or a guessing game, or a continuation of long emails and chain text messages, and you're still not getting product, that's money that your team has already worked hard for, or you have worked hard for. It's time to close out the job. You have to deliver. AMP delivers. They ship same day. If there's ever an issue, the customer support team, they take it on as their own. You are their customer. and your customer is their customer. There's not a middleman that's making a commission. And I think that's what's really important, is the personal relationship with no commission. People say, how do you even do that? Because it's built on a culture. It's their brand.